Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to practice on chapter 6 in Sacred Garden. Okay, let's start this chapter with our new words. Violently, violently, with great force. Tearful means with water in your eyes because you feel like crying. Again, violently, with great force. Tearful, with water in your eyes because you feel like crying. Remember to think about something again. So, violently, tearful, remember. Okay, let's go to our summary for chapter 5. Mary woke up in the middle of the night and she was wandering in the house. In this rainy night, she heard the crying voice again and she wandered in the house and found the right room of the voice. Then she found a boy in a large bed. The boy is called Colin. Okay, let's move to our practice. What did Mary hear in the middle of the night? She heard crying. What did Mary find in the big room in Mr. Craven's house? She found a boy. How was the boy in the big room? He looked tired and cross, with thin, white, tearful face. Again, he looked tired and cross, with thin, white, tearful face. Who was the boy in the big room? He was Colin Craven. He was Colin Craven. Okay. Has Mary ever known that Mr. Craven had a son? No, she hasn't. So the boy was the son of Mr. Craven. Yes, he was Mr. Craven's son. What may happen to Colin if he lives? He may have a crooked back like his father, but he will probably die. Why doesn't Mr. Craven like seeing his son Colin? Because he makes him remember his mother. Who is Dr. Craven? He is Mr. Craven's cousin. Why does Dr. Craven like Colin to die? Because he would get all the money when Mr. Craven dies. Did Mary like Colin? Yes, she did. Okay, let's move to our quotation. All the servants have to do what I want, because if I am angry, I become ill. So, who said this? It was Colin. To whom? To Mary. What will happen to Colin if he becomes ill? He will die. Of course, he will die. So, I want to see it. I'll make the servants tell me where it is. They'll take me there and you can come too. Okay, who said this? It was Colin. To whom? To Mary. What is the speaker talking about? He was talking about Secret Garden. So here he was talking in Secret Garden with Mary, who told him about it, and he wanted to go to the Secret Garden with her, and she didn't want to tell him the place, but he explained that he will make the servants tell him where it is, and they will take him there too, and she can come with him. Okay, my dear students, for now we finished and see you later next time. Inshallah.